Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor not playing sound. Here's a fix for your output device, OSD audio and cable fix. Fix 1, check whether your monitor has speakers. If your monitor has speakers, continue with the steps below. If it doesn't, you need to connect external speakers or headphones to the monitor or your computer. Fix 2, increase the monitor volume. Press the monitor's joystick or menu button. Open audio or settings. Make sure the volume is turned up. Ensure mute is turned off. Fix 3, select the correct audio output on your device. For Windows, you need to right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar. Select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your MSI monitor. Play audio to test the sound. For macOS, open System Settings, go to Sound. Under Output, select your MSI monitor. For Fix 4, you need to check the cable. HDMI and DisplayPort can carry both video and audio. VGA and DVI do not carry audio. Fix 5, restart the monitor and the device. Turn off the monitor and your computer or console. Unplug the monitor for 30 seconds. Turn everything back on and test the sound again. Fix 6, update audio and graphics driver. On Windows, open Device Manager, update your graphics driver, update your audio driver, restart your computer. Fix 7, test another device. If sound works, the problem is with the original device. If it doesn't, the issue may be with the monitor or its settings. Fix 8, factory reset the monitor. Open the monitor's OSD menu, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm the reset. If you are using external speakers or headphones, make sure they are connected to the correct audio output. Turn up their volume, check that they are receiving power if it is really required. Test them with another device to confirm they work properly. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.